right, it is football season, so are you ready to take up your tailgate a little bit?
Look how cute you are.
Right,
You're
I'm
normally in a flannel
New York,
shirt. I
baby.
love it. That's right. That's
Yes,
right.
let's do it.
All right, prepare for the ultimate tailgate. It's so exciting. We love football season with products that you
Yep.
can fold up. They can fold up easily and fit in one car. And Skip has them all for us.
That chair is.
Okay.
It is ridiculous.
I love the
Guys,
flannel.
That is nice.
Everything you see here, everything in this whole setup can fold up into small bags like this, and every single thing here goes into your trunk. The whole rig. This is from Shelter Logic. They make these great lightweight canopies, UV protection from the sun, the rain, even the snow. Super comfy and cozy chairs, even like this folding aluminum table.
Right.
And the best part is the whole rig goes in your trunk.
Fantastic.
Right?
All right, so you can put the stuff in the trunk. It's portable.
Yeah.
But we need to go ahead and transport
Guys, listen,
cold stuff like
no
cold beer, cold
tailgate
food.
is a tailgate without a cooler. The cooler is the center of the tailgate. Watch this. This is the lightest cooler available in the marketplace. Look at this. Talk about light, right? This is Rugged Road Outdoors Cooler. They're the lightest. They're half the weight of the competition.
They are.
And what I love about this, watch this. Let me show you this. It comes with these great dividers. You can keep food cold or hot off the grill. And what I really love about Rugged Road, this is the best part. The top comes off. It doubles as a tabletop with a cup holder. Come on.
4 of them.
4 of them. So this is Rugged Road Outdoor Coolers, the best cooler. This is my favorite. And again, super, super lightweight, which makes it great for a tailgate.
Absolutely.
Camping, they also float, believe it or not. Guys, let me show you the best grills for portability. This is the Weber Traveler. One touch, it folds down, goes right in your trunk. It operates on these tiny little 1-pound barbecues, tanks, so no hose, no big barbecue tank. And when you're done, one button, it collapses and goes in the trunk. Unbelievable from Weber. These are both available at barbecueguys.com. And this is my other favorite. I have to tell you about this. This is something special.
It's digital.
This is the Ninja Wood Fire. It's got wood pellets. It's a smoker.
Man.
It's a convection oven. It's an air fryer.
You got the little...
And it's a grill.
Right.
All in one. So this also folds up, goes right in your trunk from Ninja. Find it on barbecueguys.com. And what's nice about this, it's electric. So there's no gas or flame. And speaking of electric, check this out. My friends at Fort Patriots make these great power sources. This is a generator, but there's no gas, no fumes. You can keep it right in your car or from your home. This will operate your refrigerators, your grills, and run all your electric, but quiet, silent, and no fumes. It comes with a solar panel, so you can keep it charged up, right? I mean, and also this is the Sidekick. So you got a larger version that'll run your big appliances, and this little portable Sidekick. Let me turn them both on for you. Watch how cool this is. So you plug them into the house and charge them up before you go for a ride.
That's great.
Or you can use the solar panel, and when you're at the game, fold this out and put it on the windshield of your car, and you're keeping the whole rig charged up.
One of our kids, Sally's husband, Allie, goes to the Boulevard at SMU every weekend. And what they do is, you know, obviously you try to show off with your tailgating. Sometimes you can rent the facility to have electricity, but to have that is a game
so this is great because you can run it in the house. You can keep it in your car because there's no fumes. And guys, I have tons, by the way. You saw the cornhole on my website. On my website, I have tons of great games like this because all tailgates are about fun. You got to have a good time, right? So check out the site. I got great games like this quarterback toss, cornhole, and a bunch of other fun stuff.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Check it all out. SkipBedell.com. Skip, thank you very much.
Hey, thanks, guys.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Have fun.
Tailgate season officially starts right now. So does the second hour of Fox and Friends.